Welcome to Autry's virtual classroom, hosted on Blackboard. The login information you just used will be yours for all future online training. If you don't know your password, you can click Forgot Password to reset at any time in the future. Remember, it will always be sent to the email associated with your enrollment. Your username is your unique Autry identifier and can be found in the Autry portal by clicking your student ID. The AT number is located at the bottom of your digital ID. Once you are logged into Blackboard, you'll be able to click on My Classes to see the courses that you are enrolled in. Select the course you wish to begin, and you can see all of the sections, but to access them, you need to officially enter the course. You'll do this in the Introduction section by scrolling all the way down to the quiz. Click the quiz, attempt the quiz, and then you'll type your name in the answer box. Finish the attempt, submit all and finish. Now you're ready to go back to the class. You are now able to access all of the course materials. These materials include all of the sections, tests, discussion boards, assignments, and videos. Some courses will have grades. If your course has a grade, you will click on Class Tools. Once in Class Tools, you'll be able to click the gradebook. If your class is graded, you will see your scores and feedback here. To go back to the course materials, simply click on the class title. If you have any problems navigating Blackboard or have questions about your course, you can go to the Autry portal and select the Contact Us, and then fill out the form with your question where it will be directed to your instructor or to your Associated Business and Industry Services Coordinator. Thank you for choosing Autry for your training needs.